scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Metal ductility looks tricky, but this one moves fast. Figure out what metallic bonding actually means, then match that idea to the correct choice. Metallic bonding means positive metal ions sit in a sea of mobile electrons, and those electrons are not locked between specific atom pairs like directional covalent bonds, so watch this structure carefully. Because that electron attraction is spread out equally in all directions, one layer of metal cations can slide past another without breaking the overall bonding pattern, which explains ductility. So the best statement is option C, because mobile electrons keep attracting the cations while they move, letting the metal stretch into wire. Well done! Option C. Scan now. Avoid rushing for random buzzwords. Trust the given bonding idea and check whether the attraction is directional or non-directional.